Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Intuos Pro M device. Yes, Windows identifies it like a Pro S, but it's Pro M, I swear. And now I'm gonna show you how to set up the buttons shortcuts on this device. To do it, first you need to open the Wacom Center, of course, then find the touch and gesture settings, and here in Tool choose Pro Pen 2, and here you have so it's not right and left buttons, but upper button you can set up, and the other button too. So for example, if you want to step up upper button, so click on it and what you want to use, what function you want to bind to this button. For example, if you want to bind click, I want to use, for example, right click for upper button. And now when I will click this upper button on my home screen, as you can see it like I'm clicking using right button on the normal mouse, and you can set up it to the other button too. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.